So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in wsreset.exe. Click on it. It's now going to reset the Microsoft Store. We can now close out of this. For the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in Xbox. Now once this comes up, you're going to click on App Settings. And now you're going to scroll down and then click on Terminate. Now you're going to click on Reset. And then click on Reset again. You're going to reset the Xbox application. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on Yes. And now once you're on this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on Enter. Then you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, you now want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on Enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, for the last step, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.